Ha 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 ha. I have returned. I'm issuing a warning to all of you market makers out there. If you're trying to exploit the retail traders, your time is up. I'm coming for each and every one of you. Wall Street bet style. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way, this is Thursday evening. We're about to close the trading week out very strong. And to keep ourselves motivated, we need a little bedtime story. I will be giving you my top 10 favorite quotes from the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. You need this in your library. Okay, one of the things I like about this is that there is an attitude survey. There's an attitude survey in the beginning of the book, and there's an attitude survey at the end of the book. After you acquired all of the information that he gives you in this book, you get to see if your attitude has changed or not. It's all about attitude. And we got a badass attitude. We out to get that money. To prove to the trader that more or better market analysis is not the solution to his trading difficulties or lack of consistent results. To convince the trader that it's his attitude and state of mind that determine his results. The greater your confidence, the easier it will be to execute your trades. Once you learn to identify patterns and read the market, you find there are limitless opportunities to make money. Money, 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 money. Think about the number of times you've looked at a price chart and said to yourself, it looks like the market is going up or down, as the case may be. And what you thought was going to happen actually happened. But you did nothing except watch the market move while you anguished over all the money you could have made. There's a big difference between predicting that something will happen in the market and thinking about all the money you could have made and the reality of actually getting into and out of trades. I call this difference and others like it a psychological gap. Close the psychological gap. Close it now. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. If you perceive the endless stream of opportunities to enter and exit trades without self-criticism and regret, then you will be in the best frame of mind to act in your own best interests and learn from your experiences. On the other hand, if what you perceive in the market information is painful in some way, then you will naturally try to avoid that pain by either consciously or subconsciously blocking that information from your awareness. In the process of blocking that information, you'll systematically cut yourself off from any number of opportunities to enrich yourself. In other words, you cut yourself off from the opportunity flow. That's going to be my new slang, opportunity flow. If you want opportunity flow to have its own section on this channel, leave it in the comments below. Thoughts are energy. Because you think in a language, your thoughts are structured by the limitation and rules that govern the particular language in which you think. When you express those thoughts aloud, you create sound waves, which are a form of energy. Positive energy always corrects errors. The uncertainty principle. At the very core of one's ability to trade without fear or overconfidence, perceive what the market is offering from its perspective, stay completely focused in the now moment opportunity flow, spontaneously enter the zone. It is strong, virtually unshakable belief in an uncertain outcome with an edge in your favor. In what way does a trader have to learn how to be rigid and flexible at the same time? We have to be rigid in our rules and flexible in our expectations. We need to be rigid in our rules so that we can gain a sense of self-trust that can and will always protect us in an environment that has few, if any, boundaries. We need to be flexible in our expectations so we can perceive with the greatest degree of clarity and objectivity what the market is communicating to us from its perspective. At this point, it probably goes without saying that the typical trader does just the opposite. He is flexible in his rules and rigid in his expectation. Interestingly enough, the more rigid the expectations, the more he has to either bend, violate, or break his rules in order to accommodate his unwillingness to give up what he wants in favor of what the market is offering. Eliminating emotional risks. To eliminate the emotional risks of trading, you have to neutralize your expectations about what the market will or will not do at any given moment in any given situation. Think from the market's perspective. Trade your system exactly as you have designed it. This means you have to commit yourself to trading at least the next 20 occurrences of your edge. Not just the next trade or the next couple of trades, but all 20. No matter what, you cannot deviate. In light of what you now understand about the nature of beliefs, if you are still experiencing negative states of mind when you trade, you can assume there's a conflict between what you know about probable outcomes and any number of other beliefs in your mental environment that are arguing for something else. Keep in mind that all active beliefs demand expression, even if we don't want them to. To think in probabilities, you have to believe that every moment in the market is unique, or more specifically, that every edge has a unique outcome. When you believe at a functional level that every edge has a unique outcome, meaning that it is dominant belief without any other beliefs arguing for something different, you will experience a state of mind that is free of fear, stress, and anxiety. When you trade, it really can't work any other way. A unique outcome is not something we have already experienced. Therefore, it is not something we can already know. If you believe that something will happen and that you don't need to know exactly what that something is to make money, then where is the potential to define and interpret market information as threatening and painful? Yeah. Trading in the Zone. Make sure you pick this book up, okay? And put this knowledge in your brain so you could be successful. You know what I'm saying? You might be able to be successful without a mask. You know what I mean? But if not, we got masks for you all day over here at the Absolute Boss Collective when the mask trader shows up. Okay? Listen to some of these chapters in this book. You got The Road to Success, Fundamental, Technical, or Mental Analysis. The Lure and the dangers of trading. Taking responsibility, consistency, a state of mind. The dynamics of perception, the market's perspective, the trader's edge, thinking in probabilities, working with your beliefs, the nature of beliefs, the impact of beliefs on trading, thinking like a trader. This is the Masked Trader signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.